This episode was made possible through the continuing support of Tom Menda and viewers just like you. Check out the links in the description for my other channels with more fun with high voltage, science, and engineering, and for other ways that you can get involved and help me make videos just like this one. Thanks for hanging out. I do so appreciate your time. Hey there guys, welcome back to the plant. I have something cool to share with you. How about topless generator? Huh? Look at that. Let's take a look inside, because it's not terribly often that you get to see inside with all the entire top removed, the oil tank, the upper bearing, the exciter, and all that jazz. And this is the rotational assembly, the armature, which is pretty sweet to get a look at. We'll get a better look at it in the next couple days as they continue with the destruction, but just look how nasty that is in there. Like that's impressive. That is really quite disgusting, and I'm glad to see her getting a deep clean as part of this. So we can see now, here's the rotor. This whole big thing in the middle is the rotor, and then out here, that's the stator. And we're going to be exploring this with some other generators too, but you can actually see down in there, you can see the windings and the core and all that jazz of the stator, which is pretty sweet. So these are the windings. Core's down this side. I think this is actually part of the rotor. I think. I don't know, it's not moving, so it's weird, but it looks like that's the gap. Oh yeah, you can see it better on the camera than you can in real life. So yeah, there's the gap. And you can see this is the rotor, and this is the stator. So this part rotates, and this part is stationary and doesn't move. And so this is where we draw the power off, and this is where we excite. And you can see there's the exciter cables, and you can see they go down there and continue out to the thing. So just those two wires create a big DC electromagnet on all these poles. Each one of those is a pole. Okay, and there's, I don't know, like 20 or 30 of them going around. We'll count them at some point. You can work it out empirically, mathematically, by knowing that the rotational speed of this generator is about 210 RPM, and we're generating 60 hertz three-phase power. So how many poles do we have? All the EEs have got this in like 30 seconds. So these are the windings covered in schmoo. It's really, it's just nasty. Okay, but there's a look at topless generator, which is kind of cool. Something you don't see terribly often. It's entirely possible that this is a once in a career visage. So that's cool. Look at that. Isn't that neat? So that's topless generator as we're tearing things apart. Because we're going deep. You're going to get to see the whole thing taken apart. We're not going to take the stator out. We need the stator in position. Stator stays there. But everything inside, it's all coming out. All the stuff down in the hole, everything down there, it's all coming out. Because we're going to, oh God, there is shit strung from hell to breakfast. It's really quite the mess around here. But, we're taking it all out because we got to get down to the jank turbine blade. And I am here on a Saturday copying footage out of the camera up there and the camera up there back by InSync. So that is the excitement of my day. I'm here copying footage on a Saturday, bit by bit. There's only an hour left to go, hour and 10 minutes for 15,300 still images. And after I do that hour, I get to do that hour. It's awesome. This is the parts of making videos that you don't normally get to see. So you'll get to see the time lapse of all this later after I put like another 20 hours of work into editing the damn thing. So you guys have fun. There's a quick look deep down inside M. We'll see you next time, kids.